So to cancel your self credit builder account, you can call them. You can cancel with a representative right through the phone. And when you guys cancel it, your account will be canceled at 11 p.m. that night. If you guys call, you can also use their automated system. You can cancel it that way and set up your payment options in terms of how they're going to pay you back what you have paid so far into that account. So those are basically your two options. And I believe you can cancel right through your account too. You can log in and cancel that way. So you got three options on canceling your account. Now, I know I'm telling you guys, but let me show you guys like how can you cancel. So let's go back to the self. Let's go down to the bottom. Let's click on contact and then let's search cancel so that you guys can see the different ways that you guys can cancel your account. How do I cancel my account? So you can log into your account to cancel or call their automated system, or you can make sure you call them and choose option one. Please note, if you call from a number that is not on file with Self, you will need to verify your identity prior to receiving the option to cancel your account. And that's very, very important to you guys because they just need to verify you because you got to figure out, they're going to figure out how they're going to get your money back. You will then be prompted to verify your account information. Once the system locates your account, choose option 4 to cancel your account. Simply follow the prompts to hear information regarding reporting and payout information. When you guys cancel your account, don't forget that's an account that's going to stop reporting. Your credit score is going to drop. So don't just say, oh, I'm going to cancel my account, I'm going to get my money back. No, you guys, they're going to stop reporting and it's most likely going to drop your credit score. So if you want them to cancel your account, make sure you apply for whatever you want to apply for beforehand. Again, your account will close at 1 p.m. on the same day. A payout tracker will appear in your dashboard within 24 hours so that you can check your payment status and know when to expect your payment and see how the payment tracker works here if you're interested. And then this is how to close your Self Visa credit card. So if you guys want to close that secure credit card, then you guys can come here to check how you guys